Good morning. I welcome you all on behalf of Symbiosis Society, Symbiosis International University, and SITM for our fourth International Telecom Seminar. Mr. Balkrishnan Shanmugam, Global Delivery Head, Communication Business Unit, Cognizant Technology. Mr. Tarun Sharma, Head Global Services, NSN. Mr. Sandeep Agrawal, Senior Vice President, Engineering and R&D Services, Happiest Mind Technologies. Mr. Madhukant Patel from Rev Automotion. I welcome you all. I would also like to thank delegates from the industry present for the inaugural session. We also have students from various institutes in Pune. The International Telecom Seminar Communique is a flagship event of SITM right from its inception, and we had been organizing it for last 18 years actually. Every year, with the finest minds of telecom industry, this seminar addresses various relevant issues and trends. The idea behind this seminar is to bring stalwarts of the telecom industry on a neutral platform like SITM in order to reach consensus on some of the contemporary issues confronting the industry. It also unveils the practical aspects, prevailing trends, and the expected route of industry by providing a common platform for students and the industry experts to interact. Every year, the seminar has a theme around which the topics revolve. Last year, the theme was Telecom Omnipresence, Opportunities for the Connected World, in which we discussed various domains with which telecom industry is building its congruence. Last year, Communique presented its third international seminar, and the success can be attributed to the sessions by Sandeep Girotra, Head India, NSN, Shanky Vishwanathan, Global Head Communication Practice, TCS, Avnish Dutt, Director Global Sales, Orange Business Services, Ashwin Jaiswal, Head IT Business Consulting and Telecom, ARCOM, Rahul Razdan, President and Head IBBO Games and Mobile, Tarun Sharma, CEO BMC Software, Anshu Gaur, President and Head Amdocs India, Burzin Dubash, Executive Director and Partner Axis Risk Consulting, Abraham Joseph, CEO M2M, Mr. Mohammed Chaudhary, Partner Telecommunications, PwC. Communique 14 shall touch upon contemporary concepts of ICT business domain encompassing latest trends in the same. The students of SITM have worked diligently to arrive at those touch points which the giants seek as a new revenue generating streams. A few among them are Internet of Things, which our director discussed. The next frontier of intelligence, innovation in telecom, and the penetration of telcos into content delivery networks and software-defined network space. All of this is primarily being done to intensify dynamism in all the available applications. By means of several other trends concerning the ICT industry, Communique 14 shall try to exhaustively incorporate telecom metamorphosis and delineate how telecom has altered its definition for the evolving ICT industry. It shall focus on what the future would be like and how telcos should transform their business model to gain manifold in the future. The Indian telecom sector is now entering into a world of new technologies with data and broadband wave aspiring new heights. There is a convergence of innovative technologies and business models, with players extending their roots in every layers of ecosystem. Transforming communication aims to explore how simple communication methods have evolved for us to this era of machine-to-machine communication, where the connectivity between the people has been far left behind. Now we know machines are connected, but the individuals are drifting apart actually. Now, this creates increasing need for us as budding techno managers to know how the industry is trying to deal with these changing scenarios without affecting the customers adversely. And hence, the theme for this year is Transforming Communications, Exploring Contemporary Business Realms. In these 2 days, we'll have interesting panel discussions on the topics like IoT, 4G, business intelligence, and IT telecom convergence. Another high point of the seminar is the unveiling of PRIJO, which will take place immediately after this, SITM's annual telecom forecast. Professor Giri thanks Professor Giri and his team for bringing out this wonderful forecast. They have been working for the last 6 months very hard on this. PRIVIJO is in its 12th year of publication. We have now most of the predictions which have been mentioned in PRIVIJO have come true so far. Now this seminar is a great learning platform for our students as they not only listen to various telecom experts, but also get a chance to organize the event like this, like whatever you see right now here. Nothing of this is being outsourced. This is all done by SITM students. That is the most important thing. I'm proud to say that SITM has been organizing this seminar in a professional way, and this is an opportunity to teach them how to be responsible professionals. I once again thank our guests and delegates for having made to this seminar. Finally, I would like to thank the entire telecom fraternity for being there with us. I would also like to thank our sponsors for their support. I'm sure next 2 days will be great learning for all of us. Thank you.